Hey guys, I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty, and today is winter formal, and I'm so excited. Today is January 19th, and it's about 8:30 in the morning, so you guys get to follow me around on this vlog style of video, and you just get to see out what I do on a day that I want to get glam. So you know the drill, and let's get right into it. So I like to start my mornings off with a bowl of oatmeal, and it's just like the quick, easy ones that you can just add water to and microwave. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. And here I am pouring the water, and then I make a big mess. So that was great. And then it's just a quick 2 minutes in the microwave, and then we're done. On days like these, I like to start my day off with a glass of water also, just because it keeps you really healthy and it can really help clear up your skin in case you have any acne for the day. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I mix up my oatmeal and get ready to eat. And after I'm done eating my oatmeal and drinking my water, I like to go straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth. Chapstick is definitely an essential on a day like this, just because it will help us apply our lipstick later very smoothly, and just because we want to keep our lips nice and moisturized for the rest of the night. And after I was done brushing my teeth and putting on my chapstick, I got dressed, and now I'm ready to head out the door. Okay guys, so we're in the car now, and I'm about to head to the nail salon to get my nails done because, yikes. And then we're probably going to go to Target. I want to try and get new lashes and new lash glue, just because the ones that I have now aren't like the best, the most glam. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to Target. Hopefully we don't spend $1 million like I usually do. And then I want to go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a chai tea because I can't function without my tea. My tea is like my coffee, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, so you just come along with me. So let's go to the nail salon and fix these. Okay guys, I just got done at the nail salon. Sorry the lighting's kind of weird, but this is my first time getting gel actually. I usually just get like regular polish on my natural nails, and this time I got gel and I kind of like it. I don't know, what do you guys think? So my dress is going to be red, so I'm excited about that. And I didn't want to get red nails because that was going to be like too much red, so I got like the glitter ombre sort of French tip kind of thing. And next on our schedule is to go to Target to get lashes and glue. So let's head on over. Okay guys, so we're back from Target and I successfully only bought the 2 things that I needed, so I'm so proud of that. And now to reward ourselves, we can go to Dunkin' and get chai. So I'll see you at Dunkin'. Bye guys. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later now. I got back from Dunkin' and I have my chai in my system, so I'm feeling great. And now we're just gonna curl my hair because last year I straightened my hair, so I kind of want to change things up. And we're just gonna use the wand that I have behind me heating up. And I'm just gonna fast forward through that, and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back with a quick update. So I know I didn't really film this side a lot, but I'm going to do this side, or at least I'm going to try and film this side a lot more. And the curls are coming out great. I need to go get a new hairspray, but that's fine. And we're doing great on time for the rest of our makeup and like getting dressed and everything for pictures. So that's amazing, and I'm just so excited, and I hope you guys are liking the vlog sort of style video. Comment down below what you think, and yeah, let's just get into the time lapse. So I like to curl my hair in sections just to make sure that I get every part of my hair. And I like to hold the curl on the iron for quite a bit of long time just to make sure that the heat fully gets into it and it will hold the curl longer. And then on top of that, I will go in with hairspray just to make sure that it holds throughout the night so they don't fall out. Okay guys, so I'm done with half of the other side of my head, and now I look absolutely insane. But I think I'm going to end the time lapse here just because I want my phone to have at least a little bit of battery. So yeah, I will get back to you when I have a full head of curls. See you later. Ah, guys, I'm back and the hair is all complete. I love it so much. Like, I haven't brushed it out or anything, but I know it's going to come out amazing. So this is what it looks like right now. And then I'm going to brush it out with my fingers later and it will come out perfect. And I'm just getting so excited about this. So now we get to do my favorite part, makeup. So I will meet you at my makeup desk. I'm back and now we get to do almost last step, but definitely my favorite step is the makeup. So I'm not going to go into really deep depth about what I'm doing. I'm just going to kind of fast forward it and maybe put a little bit of captions just so this video isn't incredibly long. But yeah, I'm going to just go in with my foundation, and that's just how we're going to start. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, in between my eyebrows, on my nose, and my chin. And then I'm going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender. I'm just going to go in with my Pro Conceal Contour little thing. Just because this is supposed to be a really, really glam look, so I'm going to go full out on the face. And now I'm going to go in with a little mixture of my Tarte Shape Tape and my Urban Decay eye primer, and I'm just going to put that on my lids to set my eyes for our eyeshadow. And while that sets, I'm going to go in with my setting powder, and I'm going to set my under eyes a little bit under my contour, and then I'm going to finish off with the eyes. And now for the part we have all been waiting for, the eyeshadow. Or at least I've been waiting for this. I love eyeshadow so much, as you can tell from my channel. So I'm so excited to do it for a glam event, so let's just really get right into this. So I'm going to go in with like a really light brown, almost like a little bit orange color. I'm just going to blend that into my crease for my transition. Now I'm going to go in with a different brush. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of red. I don't want the look to be red. I want it to be like mostly a dark brown, but I just want to have like a touch of like a little bit of a sunset look. So then I'm going to go in with a clean brush and go in with the red. And next I'm going to go in with a packing brush, and I'm going to take like a really dark brown and just pack that all over my lid. Okay, I'm realizing I might have gone in with a little bit too dark of a brown, but don't worry, we will avert this crisis. Okay guys, so here's the situation. My camera died, so I know where we left off, so I didn't continue anything, so you didn't miss anything. But I can't charge my camera and have the viewfinder, so hopefully everything's in view and hopefully everything's fine. So we're just gonna continue on with the makeup look and hopefully everything goes well. So I'm going in with that dark brown shade and I'm trying to avert the crisis. This is where we left off. Another thing I forgot to mention is that after my camera died, I looked at the time and we are extremely close to the time that we should be done and ready to like get dressed and everything. So I'm kind of gonna be rushing the last few steps, but hopefully it makes sense and it's not turning into a terrible video. I would hate that. So I'm going in with a brown and I'm trying to blend out the really dark brown that I have. And now I'm just going to finish up the eyes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I know I went through a lot without explaining it, but I just didn't want the video to be long. And if you really want, you can comment down below and I'll go in full detail with this look again in another tutorial. But for now, the makeup is complete and I am so happy with it. I think it looks really good and it came out exactly how I wanted it. So now I'm definitely running late, so I'm gonna go hop in my dress and I'll see you later. Okay guys, so this is the final look and I'm about to leave. Here are the earrings, the necklace, and then I have my bracelets, and then here's the dress. This whole experience has been so much fun, and I hope you like the vlog. And now I'm gonna put on my shoes and we'll head to the dance.